With the rise in daily infections and fatalities, as well as the evident lack of effort from the part of the public in adhering to health and safety guidelines, prompted a full-blown island-wide travel restriction which came into effect on the 13th of last month. Following a 3-week-long ban on travel, the government, however, decided to give the public some respite by deciding to give a window of 3 days to move about, starting from 4 a.m. tomorrow. Afterwards, the restrictions will return at 10 a.m. on Wednesday and be in place until 4 a.m. on Friday the 25th. Though the travel restrictions will be relaxed tomorrow, it is done under certain conditions with a set of do's and don'ts illustrated by the health authorities. One of them is that the general public will not be allowed to cross provincial borders, and interprovincial travel restrictions will continue to be in place until further notice. If the people thought that they can let off some steam over the next 3 days after being cooped to their residences for weeks, the authorities have drawn a line there too. Mass gatherings, public gatherings, events and parties as well as weddings during the restrictions are strictly off limits. With regard to public transport, the maximum capacity on buses and trains is limited to 50% of the available seating capacity. However, in the Western Province, only essential services and staff transport will be in operation. Authorities also emphasize that the relaxation of restrictions is not an invitation for state and private institutions to call their normal cadre to office and instructs them to continue with minimum staff even when the travel restrictions are relaxed. Meetings at both private and state entities are limited to 10 persons provided the gathering is essential. But in the Western Province, institutional meetings are not permitted at all. In the meantime, only 2 persons from a household will be permitted to venture out. The maximum passenger capacity for taxis has also been limited to 2 persons. Also for banks and other financial institutions, they will function island-wide. However, a maximum of only 10 customers are allowed inside the establishments at any given time. Agricultural sector and plantation sector activities are permitted, while fairs will have to be conducted under strict conditions imposed by local authorities. As for economic centres, they will be open for wholesale trade. Street vendors are given some respite as those who are registered can operate, however not within the Western Province. Retail traders too can have shops open with only 3 customers allowed in at any given time. The same applies to bakeries as well. Supermarkets too can operate with only 25% of customers to be accommodated at any given time. Though shopping centres are permitted to be open, any entertainment programs and public gatherings are prohibited. However, in the Western Province, opening of such establishments are not allowed at all. For those in need of services of motor mechanics, garages will be allowed to open, however, sans public convergence. Permission to open is also granted to salons, but only 1 customer is allowed service at any given time. As for clothes shops, only 25% of the customer capacity will be permitted at the premises at any given time. However, permission to open are not extended to those shops in the Western Province. With regards to sports activities, individual practices are permitted, but team activities are off limits. As for gymnasiums and pools, religious establishments, libraries, cinemas and museums, they will be closed. The restaurants, meanwhile, will be closed for in-house dining. However, takeaway and delivery services are permitted to operate. Hotels, rest houses, guest houses, as well as pubs and bars will continue to be closed.
The managers or the supervisors should take appropriate action in order to respect the concept of social distancing. Everyone in the premises should wear a face mask. Police are going to deploy special teams in order to monitor the situation, and if the said guidelines are not followed by the institutions or their management, stern action will be taken against them. We are monitoring the situations, therefore adhere with quarantine rules and regulations all the time.
In the meantime, the police have arrested 1,082 more individuals yesterday for failing to adhere to health protocols and quarantine regulations. With yesterday being a Saturday, the number of arrests show the level of indiscipline of the people, despite constant reminders of the severity of the current situation. As such, the authorities urge members of the public to refrain from abusing the freedom given, especially over the next 3 days. In the meantime, 24 Grama Niladhari divisions across 12 districts will go into a state of isolation tomorrow with effect from 4 a.m. Accordingly, in the Gramaniladari division of Arame area 66 Vatta that comes under the jurisdiction of the Demataguda police area will be isolated. In the district of Gampaha, the Gramaniladari divisions of Yatihena, Siambalape Vatta and Nahena will be isolated. In Kalutara, the Gramaniladari divisions of Mahavaskaduwa South and Minnerithanna Tsunami village that fall under the jurisdiction of Kalutara North and Kalutara South police areas respectively will enter into a state of isolation tomorrow. Meanwhile, a Gramaniladari division each in the districts of Nuwara, Galle and Matara will be isolated. What's more, the state of isolation in 82 Gramaniladari divisions will be lifted with effect from 4 a.m. tomorrow. Accordingly, 5 Gramaniladari divisions in the Gampaha district will come out of isolation. Under the police area of Kadugannava in the Kandy district, the villages of Tibbutta and Koskastanna of Valgampaya Gramaniladari division will be brought out of isolation. Meanwhile, the state of isolation in the Gramaniladari division of Uravatta that comes under the Ambalangoda police area in the district of Galle will also be lifted. For more details, viewers can log on to www.adaderana.lk.
මෝල්ට් බාර්ලි යහගුණේ හා කිරිසාරය ඇතුළ වැදගත් පෝෂක පදාර්ථ 23කින් සමන්විතයි.